Hello, welcome back to FunLabs Design Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to use those same separated vector layers that we used in those other two videos and animate the frames in Krita. I'm also going to show you why I chose Pencil 2D to import those frames in to make this animation with sound. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so if you don't already have Krita, go to krita.org, download for Windows, Linux, or Mac, respectively, and then we'll open up Krita. So once Krita is open, we'll go to File, New, or Control+N. And then we're gonna create a 500 by 500 pixel document, 100 resolution. You could do it at 72, you could do it at 300, whatever you want to do. It's all about it. Forget about it, huh? So click create. Mine will populate. It has the timeline Docker open. If yours doesn't, just go to settings, Dockers, animation timeline. Next, we're going to bring in those frames that we created. We're going to go to file, import animation, this by ascending. We're going to click add images. Yeah. So these are the vector frames, and save them as JPEGs. You can save them as PNGs as well, transparencies, whatever you want to do. So click on the first one, hold shift, click on the last one. You'll see it all, file name come up here, click open, and we'll import all those in. And then source FPS will be 24 frames, and then you click OK.
That's right.
So now you'll see over here that this layer here now has this like play button.
Ooh.
Almost like play animation. So you'll see that there. And what we're going to do is rename that to animation. Now just get rid of that first layer. And now when you click on the animation layer, you'll see it populates down here as well. So there you go. That's good.
That's right.
Now we're going to zoom out with minus spacebar to elevate. Go up. Sorry, my dog is tripping.
Oh, tripping.
Then we're going to go to image. Resize canvas because it didn't show up all the way. We're just going to change this to 7 inches by 7 inches. It should basically be 700 pixels. See, by 700 pixels. Same thing. It don't matter.
Nah.
Then it populate there. Good. I don't know what that is.
Say what?
Yeah, I pressed B. Oh, I did. I pressed B. Doesn't matter. We can just erase it. There, it's gone. And now it'll animate. So just click play, it'll animate, but it holds because it's the frame ending here is at 100. So down here there's a frame rate at the very bottom. You probably can't see it. I don't know. Let me just see. You can put it up a little bit there. So we'll click here, and then we want it to be about 15 frames. Then we're gonna adjust this one to 24. Then click off. There we go.
And you know this.
So now it's on the bottom here. So now we're going to press play. Okay, cool. So that's fine. Then the next thing we're going to do, like we did in the last one, we're going to take these and reverse them. So then what you do is just copy those frames over and just skip a frame, paste, and I'm just going to speed this up and just do this. So now that we're done that, go back to the frame 1 and press play. See how that works. Pops back up. But it's slower here, right? So it's slower in this area where he pops up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna we'll click here and then we'll hold shift and we'll drag it over one frame. And then we'll click over here and press play again, see if that works. Yeah, I guess. Or we can do, I think maybe shift from here, from 17. Yeah, let's try that one. Yeah. It's a little better here. Let's try that. Yeah, that's fine. You can play around with yours and see how that works. And that's how you can just bring those vector frames as saved JPEGs or PNGs in and animate them.
Sweet!
Now I'm going to show you why I chose to import those frames into Pencil 2D instead than animate them. So now if you go to create, like, say, a new layer here, right? So creating a layer, you'd think you'd be able to just go, oh, I'm going to add a sound. You can add a sound, that's fine, but it won't be a waveform.
Wait, what?
It's here, but you don't see the waveform. You can hear it play. See? But now I try to move it, but it doesn't matter what I do. I can try to drag it, it won't. It just plays the whole consistent video.
Lame.
So you can't edit the waveforms in the sound file in Krita to be able to do editing like what we did in Pencil 2D. I like to be able to have more user-friendly, very easy, streamlined system for animation.
Exactly.
So this is why I chose Pencil 2D, because see the waveforms down here, I can maneuver them in the sound layer. It's just more streamlined. Because Krita is mainly a paint program and the animation is kind of like a bonus, kind of like in Photoshop, you can do a lot of good straightforward animations, but as far as putting so much emphasis into making a multi-functional software, there's other softwares that are perfectly fine for you to import those into that work for what you want them to. You can draw in this program too if you want, but this is why we have different softwares for different things, certain uses for certain programs. So that's why I use it, and I'm grateful for these other programs. Let me know what you like to use. If you know of any add-ons to add the audio waveform and be able to edit it in Krita, please let me know in the comments below. That'd be greatly appreciated, because I'd like to fool around with that and see what else I can do. I like experimenting with these programs. And if you like these videos, then please like and subscribe to help support the channel. Stay tuned, there's going to be a lot more coming, and I can't wait to show you. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, stay classy. Peace.